I don't even name my wigs, but if I ever did, this one would be Little Miss Ombre. Hey girl, hey, what is up you guys? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Mimi's Vlogs. And if you're not new, then what is good? So today, I have a very special video for you. The reason it's special is because you have got to say goodbye to Little Miss Ombre. I'm really actually gonna miss it. Y'all saw, well actually I never even made a video on it like I said I would, and I apologize for that. But honestly you guys, it's one of my favorite wigs. It's human hair. I'm literally going to miss this. Like, look at this unit. Like, honestly it needs to be washed. That's why it looks a little greasy, but like, I'm just gonna miss it. It really has grown on me. I mean, I never hated it, but like towards the end it kind of like got a little annoying, just because like I don't like to feel trapped when I'm like wearing certain colors. But I don't know, like it was different for me because I have always had black hair. That's why you see like the root, from the root it goes into blonde. So I promise you guys, you will see her later, but I want to introduce you to my little friend. Isn't she gorgeous? Just look at her, just admire her. Just look at this. And she's so long. And she's so beautiful. You guys, I'm so like look. I'm so excited, like you just don't even know. And I don't know if you guys can see this or not, probably not. So it's like a off pink, basically a dusty pink, peach pink. It is a lace front, so instead of being full lace like I usually wear, it's just a lace front. So the lace is only up here and it stops at right about there. So it's like 5 inches of parting space. It does go all the way around like down here, so like when it comes to the sides, like I can part it as much as I want to. I'm literally so scared and I'm so excited at the same time because like this is pink, you guys. Like this is pink. Believe it or not, this wig, it's actually, I got it for a good price, and it's not costumey, it's not wiggy at all. Like I'm so in love. I got it for a good price. I got it for like $39 or $49 from Amazon, believe it or not. And the reason I did that is because when it comes to human hair, it costs so much money. Like it's insane. And don't get me wrong, I have the money, but like I don't want to get a color in human hair and then like it just, you know, shrivel up over time. Like I don't know. So if I do like this pink, then maybe in the future you will see me with a pink human hair wig. But for now, we're gonna do synthetic because I've been doing my homework. I've been learning how to slay a synthetic wig outside. So as you can see, there's lace around the front. So I will be right back. I am going to go cut off the lace. Okay you guys, so this is the final product. I went ahead, when I was off camera, I cut baby hairs, and I also went ahead and installed the wig. So clearly there are more baby hairs that need to be installed, but I mean, she is a beauty. Like, oh. If I was a mermaid, what would you name me? What would my mermaid name be? Go ahead and drop that in the comments below what you think my mermaid name would be. This has Summer Mermaid written all over it, you guys, and I am here for it. What do you guys think? Do you think this was a slay or a nay? Honestly, your girl is gonna look better with makeup on, but you know, I just thought like, your girl, like, You guys, I don't even know what to say, to be honest. She is not really bad at being tangled. Hang on. So, like, do you see how, like, ooh, the way she brushes? Oh, Lord Jesus. It's the fire on my head. Like, y'all, I'm in love. You're gonna be seeing a girl like this for a while. And I think it's so funny because, like, the hair is pink and, like, look, I have elf ears. I look like an elf, but what do you guys think? Do you like it? I mean, I think it's bomb, but what do you think? Just so you do know, like I said before, it come from Amazon, and like, it's a really nice synthetic wig. It's so soft, like the fibers are so soft, and from the reviews that I've read, it takes heat. So like, I'm just excited. Like, this is all around like a yas and a slay. Like, I'm so excited. Like, you guys just don't even know. And I know I probably contradicted myself doing pink hair with a pink background, and I apologize for that. I actually really am sorry, but yeah. So drop it down in the comment section what you think below. Have you ever gotten a wig from Amazon before? Because this is my first time. I usually stick with getting expensive, like $300, $400, $500, $600 wigs because they're human hair. This is synthetic, and I mean, it's beautiful. And honestly, if you think like it looks too wiggy, like it's like too shiny, then all you gotta do to dull the shine, people do baby powder, but I say just do dry shampoo. In case y'all don't know how long it is, it's like it's mermaid hair for real. But yeah, so this is the final product. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead, drop a comment in the comment section. Get my channel to 200 subscribers. Let's grow and expand, and then I'll do a giveaway. And stay tuned on my Instagram. I am making a huge announcement. So yeah, stay tuned. That's all I have to say for today. So with all that being said, Mimi, love you.